Going to a check-in, Williams, on the C10. We've got the 65 Mustang backed out right now. And got the cab in the background, you can see it back there. Got it in rusty fender. It's ready to be blocked. The owners decided to go with vintage air on it. We was going to use the original factory air truck. We was going to use all the original air stuff. Got to looking through it the other day. It's broke up and a lot of it's missing and stuff like that. So we decided just to go vintage air, and you know, they're a tried and true system and be done with it. Got to looking at this fender. Not sure. This is some of the stuff that we've been running into on this. Not sure that you can see it or not, but someone has welded in a humongous patch right there. So like halfway of the fender forward and around has been cut out and replaced. So depending on how much filler they put into that, we may end up just putting a fender on it. That's the passenger side fender. The driver's side fender is not original to the vehicle. We found one of the doors is not original to the vehicle. We've just run into a lot of surprises on this one that you would never think of. Just anything you can imagine. Come on back this way and I'll show you the cab. Insurance job. Got our new doors. Got those in. We still got the cab on the jig. Got it all primed up. And then we'll come back here on the front. Cut this section out right here. And take a new section, run it in the bead roller. Put a nice indention in it and fill it in. And then come back whenever we get the kit and get ready to put the air in and cut the holes out for the lines. So next on the list is start on the inside of the cab, fix that of course, and then we'll paint the firewall, paint inside the cab, and hopefully get it set up on the frame and start hanging fenders and doors and all of that. So appreciate it. Talk to y'all later. Okay, so later in the evening and my cameraman is gone for the day. So it's just way after 5. So I'm filming this to myself. And I've got the front of the truck tore down. Matthew tore down the majority of it. Got the inner fenders out. Had a lot of mismatched bolts, a lot of bad clips. Just a nightmare to take apart. Rusted up like all of them is. And then we found something pretty cool. I think I covered it in another video, but if I didn't, I'll cover it again. So let's go over here and see. Someone has welded in a patch. A very large patch. Like the whole front half of the fender. I can only imagine how much filler is in that. Of course, this fender here is off a different truck. The core support's in really good shape, and the inner fenders are in pretty good shape. Just one little bit of rust right there, and other than that, they're real solid. Everything's doing pretty good so far, and stick with us and keep up with our C10. Thank you.